Sunday, everyone, and happy Super Bowl Sunday. It's a beautiful day, so we decided to come to the beach. So we're at the beach and we're gonna have the best day ever. This is my absolute most favorite beach here in Miami. It's so perfect outside today. Oh my god.
It's not super hot.
I live here. Well, not here, but like 30 minutes from here.
Not even 20.
20 minutes from here.
Not even 10.
Oh my god, 10 minutes from here. So the water is prohibited, or getting in the water is prohibited because there's a lot of bacteria right now. So the water feels so good too. I didn't really come to get in the water though. Just wanted to get a tan on. I love how the palm trees are right here. Getting that tan on. The sun is so bright today. Alright, I got myself a little beach snack. I made this mango salsa last night for dinner and I had leftovers, so thought I'd just bring it and finish it over here. And then I got these multi-grain tortilla line chips. They're really, really good. This is also good. It has onion, mango, avocado, red pepper, and then just lots of lime. Salt and pepper too. So good. So our new truck is pretty cool. It has storage on the sides.
It has the Ram box.
The Ram box. Putting everything there because Danny doesn't want to get his new car sandy. Oh my god. So annoying.
I got you.
Oh, you got me water. Okay. We're home. So he's crate trained. So we leave him in here whenever we go out. Or else he'll destroy everything, right, baby? Let's go. Hi. Hi. Yeah, I know. I smell sunscreen. Back from the beach. We picked up Thor and we're gonna go to the dog park real quick. This is the crate that we got him to. Or not crate. It's like a cage. I don't know. So he's in here in the car. So funny. Come on, baby. Let's go play.
Stay.
Yay. Look at this dirty ball. Now I'm back home, got ready real quick. I'm gonna go do a quick cardio. I'm gonna do like 20 minutes running, and then I'm gonna come back home and do like a quick ab workout. Danny's going to the gym for 2 hours, and I wasn't trying to be at the gym for 2 hours, so I'm just gonna do my own thing, and that's good enough for me. Let's take a break. Look at this guy. Who do you think you are? That is my mat. Alright, so I just showered because Lord knows I really needed a good shower after the beach, the dog park, and running and workout, whatever. So yeah, I feel fresh now. So I'm gonna start cooking and a little bit of baking. I'm gonna make some salmon for dinner, but I have to wait for the salmon to defrost before I cook that. So while that's defrosting, I'm gonna make some banana bread. It's from Joanna Gaines' recipe book. It is so freaking good. I'm obsessed. So those bananas over there, they're pretty ripe now, so it's the perfect time to make it. Okay, just kidding, change of plans. I don't have brown sugar, so I'm gonna have to go to Publix, get brown sugar, and then we'll get right back to it. By the way, I look a hot mess, but you do what you gotta do to make you banana bread. finished and it looks delicious. It smells delicious. I made them with chocolate chip this time, although I usually don't because I don't really like chocolate chip with banana bread, but Danny likes it, so thought I'd do it this time. But yeah, it looks really good. Alright guys, so I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Kind of just want to spend the rest of the night without, you know, vlogging and watch the Super Bowl and just relax and prepare for the week ahead. I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. I had a very lovely day today. And I'm kind of happy that I vlogged today because it's kind of nice to look back on these videos and just like remember these little moments. So yeah. By the way guys, I've been vlogging on my phone. I just find it to be more convenient because it's always on me as opposed to my camera. Plus my camera's like bigger, so it's just kind of uncomfortable to vlog with it. So I hope that, you know, the quality hasn't been too bad, but yeah. So again, thanks for watching guys. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. I would really love that. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!